Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making a red velvet and cheesecake brownie. This delicious recipe combines the tasty and amazing texture of red velvet cakes combined with cheesecakes to form a delicious brownie. So stay tuned and let's get right into making this delicious treat. Ingredients for today's red velvet and cheesecake brownies include half cup of melted butter, 2.5 tablespoons of red liquid food coloring. We also have half a cup of homemade cream cheese, which the recipe is linked below, you can check out. Have 1.5 cup of soft flour. We also have 22 grams of cornstarch. We have some baking powder, baking soda, and powdered salt. We also have 1/3 cup of full cream milk. We have half a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of caster sugar. We also have half cup of white granulated sugar. We'll be adding in some vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 room temperature eggs, 60 grams of vegetable oil. We'll also be using a 6-inch square baking tin, a spare bowl, the offset spatula, a silicone spatula, the chopping board, some parchment paper, spare bowls for mixing, a whisk, and then the stand mixer. Not forgetting the serrated knife as well. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. I'll pour 2 of the room temperature eggs into the mixer. Then I'll add in the granulated sugar. Then I'll combine everything until light, smooth, airy, and very fluffy. As the mixing of the wet ingredients is ongoing, I'm going to combine the dry ingredients, starting with the flour, the cocoa powder, the cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, and the salt. Then I'll use the whisk to combine everything together until an even mixture is obtained. And then I'll proceed to setting it aside. Into the egg and sugar mix, I'm going to add in the vegetable oil, the melted butter, about a tablespoon of the vanilla essence, the lemon juice, and the vinegar. Now add in the red food coloring and then mix everything together until a beautiful red mixture is obtained. And this is how glossy and beautiful the red velvet cake batter will look like. Now add in the dry ingredients and then combine with the wet ingredients until we obtain the red velvet cake batter that we are aiming at. After 2 minutes of mixing, this is how smooth and glossy the red velvet brownie batter looks like. I'm going to remove it from the mixer and set it aside. Now into another bowl, we are going to add in the last egg. We'll add in our homemade cream cheese. Then we'll add in our caster sugar and 1 tablespoon of soft flour. Then we'll combine everything together with a whisk until a uniform smooth mixture is obtained. Just like so. Into the red velvet brownie batter, I'm going to add in the milk. That is the last ingredient we are adding in before we pour it into the baking tin. Spread it out nicely to cover the bottom of the baking tin. Then I'll add onto it our cream cheese batter. Lastly, I'll cover up with the rest of the red velvet brownie batter and then spread it out nicely. Then with the aid of the offset spatula, I'm going to make beautiful movements in kind of a circular motion to kind of make a swirl between the cream cheese batter and the red velvet batter to produce beautiful marks of the cream cheese batter and the red velvet batter after our brownies are baked. Now I'll bake the red velvet and cream cheesecake brownies at 160 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes at most, or until a toothpick inserted into it comes out clean with no wet particles of the batter on it. After half an hour of baking, this is our red velvet and cream cheesecake brownie. And this is how it looks like. So I'm going to remove it from the baking tin. Remove the parchment paper which was used in baking it. Then with the aid of the serrated knife, I'll cut it into 3 portions, and then I'll do the same on the opposite side to create 9 different pieces out of the brownie we've made. This is how it looks like on the inside. With the aid of a knife, I'm going to cut through it into 2 equal parts. After a few minutes of cutting through and through, this is how our brownies look like. And this is how it looks like on the side as well. I've also served some on our plates here. Just look at how soft and bouncy and the beautiful movements or swirls of the cream cheese cake in between the red velvet brownies. And this is how it looks on the inside. Very soft, moist, and super delicious. And the cream cheese cake batter brings it to a whole new level. Would you give this recipe a try? Let me know how it was for you in the comment section. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.